Beperam. Saging na agoy-agoy na nalata. Cover your mouth. Nalata ng saging na agoy-agoy mga kaibigan.
That's big. Now, cut it
Ang
out.
laki naman ito.
I'll cut it now.
Cut mo ng maliliit ka ating anuin.
I cut it.
Okay. Magawa si agoy-agoy ng banana cue. Okay. Lagay mo dito sa plato. Ayan.
Here we go.
Lagay mo dito lang. Cute naman yan. Ang cute naman ng pagkahiwa ni Manay. Oh. Lagay mo dyan.
Here we go.
Okay. Ta. Okay na yan. Okay na yan pagkahiwa. Oh, tama na. Na. Maliit siya. Okay. Oh, God, that's good, that's good. Okay na yan.
No!
Okay. Si CJ, oh, gusto mo ni CJ natakpan. Natatakpan ka, Dodong.
Hey, Mommy.
Oh, lagay mo dun.
No, you got it. I'm cutting. Oopsie, don't be.
Magluto si Agoy-Agoy ngayon. Ayan si CJ, nanood. Si hi! Hello! Naglagay ako dito ng ayun, mantika. Si CJ on. Lutuin natin doon, ha? Masarap yan kasi hinog. Huwag mo nang maliitin, be. Tama na yan. Oh, sige, yan. Oops! Okay, pahiram. Okay.
No.
Ayan si CJ, oh.
You do it, Mommy.
Be, aga, ah!
No,
I get it, CJ. Be, ako. Huwag mong iano sa damit mo yung ano,
No,
ha?
I got it.
Parang hinog. Ay, hinog na to. Hala. Lata. Ayay. Hala. Hala ka. Bulok.
Told you.
Ay. Hala, kaya pala.
I told you.
Sayang.
Told you.
Isa lang ang ayayay. Tapon natin. Ay, lagyan natin sa garden to. Pampataba. Sayang. Bulok ang isa. O, ganyan po mga kaibigan, pag bibili ka ng mga salad.
Come on, Mommy.
Pag-uwi mo sa bahay, bulok.
Hold it. Mix it.
O, dito na, dito.
Put over there.
Dito na tayo.
Put over there. You're ready?
Bulok ang saging. So, sayang. Dalawa pa naman yun. Oo, maliit. Kunti lang ang iniwan niya. Guya-guyan yung ating lalagyan ng asukal. Kuka tayo ng asukal.
No. Ready, so
Excuse me.
go. That's a good.
Ayan. Ay, sorry.
No.
Ayan.
Okay.
CJ, wag.
I'm ready.
Okay.
We're gonna use that.
Yeah, lagyan natin. Tapos ilunod natin yung mga ano mo. Hinaan lang natin yung apoy.
We're gonna use that.
Okay.
So the
Balik ka dito,
banana.
John. Dito ka, John.
Mommy, I want to sit too.
Yeah, you and CJ. Be.
We're gonna watch
Okay,
that.
just watch.
Let's go.
Si CJ. Iuna mo si Junior kay maliit. Iganon. Sige na, sige na.
We're good.
CJ. You behind CJ kay Mano si Junior.
No.
Sige, move ka dito ng konti. Ayan. Here you go. You're good like that. You're good. You're good.
I wanna be behind the scenes.
You share with your brother, okay? You and your brother. You do that. You do that, your brother. Sige na, bigay ko ang kutsara. Kaya parang pwede na to.
Kutsara.
Ako na. Thank you, sweetie. Lagyan natin ang asukal. Yan, like that. Oh, see? Love man yan yung baby brother.
Here, what? CJ. Mommy feels like.
Hinaan natin yung apoy.
Okay. Put that on there.
Mabilis lang naman yan kasi nga ayan, okay na yung tatlong kutsara lang.
Now, put that on.
No, hindi pa na.
Put the banana on.
Hindi pa.
Hey, no!
Oh, that's okay. Gusto niyang kumain ng saging.
No.
Bigyan mo si CJ.
Where's the barbecue?
Oh, no? Okay.
See? You want it.
Okay.
It is gross. You don't eat it.
Okay. Tika lang. Saan ba yung ating pang-ukay? Ito.
Only use that.
Ay. Wag na kayo tatawsin ang mantika. Si mama lang. Alda. Okay, wag lang kayo. Baka tatalsik ang mantika. Okay?
Wow. It's the banana. That's cookie.
Yun.
Up.
Yum.
Up.
Excited na sa volume mga kaibigan sa Banana Q.
Hey, dude.
Huwag ang kamay na palayo.
Hey, what's a stick?
The steak andoon.
Oh.
Ang steak andoon.
Ah!
Oh.
This is barbecue. Banana is so good.
Banana Q, not barbecue.
Banana Q. Not banana Q. Not a Q. Not banana Q. It's a banana Q. Junior, I can't see.
You can see it. Okay? Kamay dyan.
That's hot.
Init. Mainit.
You're gonna be a fire
Excited
baby.
na sila sa Banana Q.
You're gonna be a fire baby.
Banana Q.
You're gonna be a fire baby.
Maliit siya na Banana Q mga kaibigan kay hiniwa-hiwa.
He pooped.
He did?
Yeah, I smell it.
No.
Yes.
Oh no, hindi. Hindi.
Yes, I smell it.
He already did. He's done.
I smell it.
Maliit. Ayaw, baby. No, CJ. Ayan po. Excited na sila.
Yeah. This poop. I see
Are you
it. I
excited?
smell it. I smell it poop. Ah! Ah!
Wow. Nagmukhang Banana Q na. Mabuti nga konti lang nilagay nating asukal. Mahina naman to, oh. Medium low. Oh. Gusto niyang ilagay sa steak. What tayo ng steak?
What's my barbecue? Unicorn. My barbecue.
Wala, nasira na yun, be. Remember na putol?
What?
Naputol yon. So, sobrang init pa naman ito pagkainin. Hintay-hintay lang kayo, ha?
It's long.
Wala nga. Sabi ko sa'yo, wala. It's gone. Naputol.
Who did it?
Naputol. Ikaw?
I'll use that chopstick. I'll use that chopstick.
Gusto mo to, di ba?
Yeah.
May stick, oh.
I won't use this stick.
Isa lang na stick sa'yo, okay?
I'll try.
Oh, 3, 4. Ubusin na. 4 na lang.
No, me.
Ikaw lang gumamit nito.
Okay. Okay. There. I have it.
Ikaw lang gumamit nito,
Hey,
okay?
I got it.
Wait, kaya matusok si Junior. Mamaya na pag kumain. Tatanggalin natin ang dulo. Oops. Ayan.
That's it. I need it. Wait.
Tinatanggal ko na yung dulo.
Why?
Tapos ilagay natin dito.
You're not being nice to my poodle.
Matusok ka. Tatanggalin talaga yan, bibi, kaya matusok ka.
Okay.
Okay? Si CJ hindi na natin ibigyan yan. Okay na ito mga kaibigan. Luto na ito. Para na nga siyang ano. Luto na yun. Luto na. Sobrang hinag.
What's wrap now?
Okay, luto na.
What's wrap? I want to be truffle. See, Jerry, I got the sticks. I got the stick. I got the stick.
Uy, hala, naputol. Sa sobrang ano, boy, sa sobrang lambot, naputol siya. Tawagin mo si Dada Kao.
Daddy! The barbecue!
Ayan ang mga kaibigan ng banana Q ni Shana.
The barbecue is here! The barbecue.
Si Jia, Kay ate yan, merong kasubuan kita yung sayo. What? Okay.
Hey!
Ayan.
Do it!
Ako lang bibigay, sobrang init, oh. Ayan.
How am I gonna do it?
Mainit nga. Ano siya man ni siya? Uy! Ah, init. Hulat yung kag mapasok ka. Kung mapasok ka, mawigik. Sa'yo to. Ayan. Yung iba kay Junior lang, nahulog na. Yung iba kay CJ, okay? Lagay natin dito sa malayo. Init pa yan. Init. Hot. Like smoking hot, baby.
There's one by one.
Mm-hmm.
Up.
Yeah, that's yours. Okay? Sa'yo yan, sa'yo. Ito kay Junior na to. Doon ka lang, baby.
Only eat.
Oh, gusto niya yung kumain. Lagay ko yung kay Junior dito sa maliit na plato. Hindi ko na ilagay sa stick. Mainit pa talaga to, baby. Uy. Ayan. Banana. Oh. Doon na sa upuan mo, Kao. Ano yan kay CJ? Kako ng plato. Doon.
It's hot.
Yup. Sabi ko, mainit talaga yan. Sige na. Doon ka na sa upuan. Sige, go.
Honey, come here the barbecue.
Kunin mo si CJ. Uy. Banana. Sige na, Goy. Doon ka na, CJ. Doon na. Ito ng tinidor. Ayan si Dada. Si Chris.
What do you got, CJ? You gonna park yourself in the seat?
Oh yeah, he has to sit there.
Help.
Gusto mo ng ano, tinidor? Here.
No.
Sa'yo yan. Kuha ko ng tinidor ni CJ.
Yum yum?
Yeah.
Ayan yung kanilang snack, mga kaibigan.
Is that plantain or a regular banana?
It's called Hawaiian banana, but the other one I bought.
That's kind of like a plantain. Looks much more,
Looks,
more
it's
sweeter.
Hawaiian. It's
It's not
Hawaiian.
good.
It's very expensive.
I can't do it.
Sus ko, nasira na yung sayo, Goy. Nawa na yung nangyari sa stick. Wala na, oh.
Can you?
CJ, paypayan natin. Paypayan. Hat pa, oh, hat pa.
Daddy. It says Daddy.
Hat pa, ha? Hat pa.
Daddy.
No, thank you. That's for CJ.
Hat pa, hat. Ay, sus ko, Mariusip. Sabi ko sa'yo, hat pa. Ay, sus ko, gano'n. Ay, sus ko. Ay, 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 ay.
You okay, bud?
Hat, hat, hat.
It's hot. You go burn his lip.
Kinuha niya sa kamay. That's okay, that's okay. Kinuha niya yung tinidor. Yan, ayan, ayan. Ayan ang nangyari. Nawa na. Wait lang, wait. Okay?
Yeah. Sister wants to eat.
Oo, ito. Wait lang. Ako na, ako na.
Ow.
Mainit pa.
Blow it.
Can you blow this one?
Bye bye. Give him something to drink. Cool his mouth or not? Approved?
It's not hot anymore.
So wrap.
This is just. Hey, baby. Okay. No touch, okay? Don't touch. Don't touch. No touching. Be.
Here,
No touching, no touch.
this should be.
Better?
Yeah. Get on his lip? What do you do? Right in his face.
Mm-hmm.
Poor guy. You gotta wait, bud. It's too good. It smells so yummy.
You smell mine?
I
Can you
smell
blow this
it.
for CJ, please?
Wow, that is hot. My hands.
Napasok tuloy si CJ. Ayan, nilagyan ko ng cream yung ano niya, yung kanyang mukha. Use your forks. You okay? Better
Yum,
na
yum.
si CJ, better. Better. Ang sarap naman kasi nito. Give me more, babe. Wow. Don't touch your cream, okay? Don't touch the cream. Up. Babe, give me that one. Ang sarap-sarap. Use your forks, babe.
Oh God.
Yan. Good. You wait. Go, John, ha? Gusto nilang banana Q, uy. Kaya panay tanim na rin ng saging. Hindi pa naman namunga. Ah. Yum, yum, good. Ismog dito. Ismog dito ng konti. Yan. Ubus na. Ubus na yung kay ate. Diyan mo gatas? Gusto mo gatas? Gatas o tubig? Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ano nahulog?
Gatas.
Gatas. She want gatas, please.
Sure. You okay, bud?
He's fine. He's fine.
You a tough little guy?
Mommy.
You're a tough little girl. He's a tough little guy.
Sige.
There you go. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is please. Please.
Please. Please. Thank you.
This
Right?
is please. And thank you.
Right.
Thank you. This is please.
Thank you. Please.
That's please.
That's please.
This is please and this thank you.
Thank you. Oh.
Mama.
What's that?
Mama.
Mama?
Dada.
Dada.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's Dada and Mama.
Oh, nice. It teaches sign language,
And
huh?
thank you. Like that. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
And please.
And yeah, please.
Oh.
That's from the beginning.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Now I know. Mama? Ah, Mama?
Mama.
Oh, Mama.
And this is thank you.
Thank you.
And this is please.
Please.
And this is Daddy.
Daddy.
This is baby.
Huh?
This is
babe.
sister.
Oh, baby. And this is sister?
What's a goy goy?
The cheek.
Oh,
This
yeah?
is the as a girl.
Sister.
That's a sister girl. That's the sister baby. There's a brother dad. See brother daddy baby.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Oh,
you.
thank you.
Mommy.
Thank you.
Mommy, I know to jump in
Please.
the water.
I know you did.
Are you sure that?
Yeah, what is banana? What is banana? Eat. Eat like that.
No.
Eat, what's
It's
eat?
silent.
Huh?
Silent.
Silence?
Yes. Try it. No, Mommy. That's you what banana is.
Saging.
Sagging. I said, what's in the food?
Saging.
No. Food and
Pagkain.
linkage.
Pagkain.
No, I said in linkage.
Oh, sign language? How? What is that?
From cheese. What's cheese?
Cheese.
What is it?
Queso.
And what's milk?
Gatas.
That's not the same word. And what word is gatas?
Ask Daddy.
It's silence. Fine. Daddy, what's milk? It's gatas. It's already gatas. What's milk?
Okay, tapos na, be.
Leche?
Be.
Leche.
Here, CJ.
Great
Okay, Shana, you want
job,
this?
Daddy.
Tubusin mo to. Ah.
Okay.
Oh, ikaw.
Oh,
Okay.
somebody wants some more banana.
No more. Kayo lang nakakain. Tumikim lang nga ako. Ayan, ubos nila mga kaibigan. Sila lang ang kumain. Ubos na.
They can go there and go here.
Okay lang si Don Julio. Happy now. Happiness Don Julio. Nabusog. Tinuturuan pala kayo ng sign language, be? Sa school. Si Agoy sabi niya, oh. Ano yun? Thank you? Thank you? Please? Thank you. Oh, yan yung ano, tinuro ni Agoy sa atin ngayon. Please? Thank you.
No, this is thank you.
Thank you. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Mama.
Hmm?
Dada. Mama.
Mama, Dada, baby,
Sasa.
sister.
Sister. There's a baby cheek. There's a sister cheek.
Thank
There's
you.
a chicken. That's a daddy cheek.
Si bye-bye live. Okay lang si CJ, oh.
Chicken.
Happy na siya, oh. Okay lang si CJ.
Daddy.
Happy boy na siya, happy boy.
Thank you.
Oh, happy boy na.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, the PedX is right there. Ah, okay. Alright, bye-bye po.
Wait.